Good morning, students. Now we will start with exercise 15.2. Question 1. Plot the following points on a graph sheet. Verify if they lie on a line. So we have to plot the points given to us. A is 4 0, B 4 2, C 4 6, D 4 2.5. So as I have told earlier, this first point is x-axis and second point is on y-axis. These are the coordinates of the point. So here is the graph. This graph, first what we will do is we have to first draw the x-axis and the y-axis. Then we have to see the points. What is the highest point that is given to us? Here the highest point in x-axis it is 4 only, and in y-axis it is going up till 6. So we can take a point higher or till 7 we can plot. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 I have taken. Each point or each unit is 1 centimeter, and here on the y-axis also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 I have taken. We have also have to plot 0, 0, that is the intersection point of x-axis and y-axis. So let's start plotting. First is A is 4, 0. So first x-axis we will move till 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4 here, 4 and 0. 0 means it will be on the x-axis only. Y-axis is 0. So that means the point will be on the x-axis only. Second is B. B is given to us is 4, 2. So what is 4, 2 here? We will for x-axis we will move 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 in the y-axis. So that means we have to go up 1 and 2. So this will be 2 here. So we will plot 4, 2 here. This is A. A is 4, 0. We have to specify the points also. Then here it is B is 4, 2. Then what is C here? C is 4, 6. So 4 it is there. Then we have to move 6 points in the y-axis direction, that is up direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is here. So we will plot the point here. And what is the point name? C 4, 6. And D is 4, 2.5. So this is 4. And 2.5. 2.5 will come between 2 and 3. Exact half of 2 and 3. So here is the point, exact half, and it will come here. That is 4, 2.5. D is 4, 2.5. Now if we try to join all these points, we can clearly see that it is coming in line. Now let's join the points. So I have joined the points and you can clearly see it is a straight line. So, plotting the given points and then joining them, we find that they all lie in the same line. Now, question B. Plot P11, Q22, 3R33, S44. All the x and y axis points are similar. So, what is the highest point? That is 4. We can go up till 5 or 7 we can take, but highest 4 should be there. So here I have taken x-axis and this is y-axis. So x-axis means here till 7 we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And here also till 7 I have taken. So what is first point is P is 1, 1. So 1 we will go for x-axis, we will go 1 here and 1 on the y-axis, that is up. So here we will plot the first point, that is P is 1, 1. This way we have to plot it. Now second is Q22. Q is 2, 2. So 2 is here on the x-axis and for y we will go up. So here it is Q is 2, 2. Then R is 3, 3. So x-axis is 3 and then it will go up for y-axis 3. So here is the point R. R is 3, 3. Then S is 4, 4. Here it is 4 on the x-axis and then we will go up 4x on the y-axis. Here it is 4. So that is, which point is this? S. S point is 4, 4. So this way the similar, whatever the similar numbers or the points are there, that we will point like this. So now we will join all the points through a scale. So while joining all the points, we can get a straight line. This is also on a same line. So plotting the given points and then joining them, we find that they lie on the same line. So this way we have to plot the points and then join the points to know that if it is in the same line or not. C. Plot K 23, L 53, M 55 and 25. So let's start with the plotting. First we have to draw as usual x-axis first and then y-axis and also the origin point 0, 0. These three things it should be there. Now what is the highest point we have to plot here in x-axis? It is going, this is 5. 5 is the highest point, and in y-axis the highest point is also 5. So till 5 it should be there. You can go up from there till 7 I have plotted here, and here also in y-axis we have plotted 7. Now let's start. First is K 2 3 is there. The K is 2 3. So 2 is on the x-axis. First point is on x-axis. So we will take 2 here, and y-axis it is 3. So we will go up till here. You should keep in mind that it should go up from 2 only. You can't go up from 1 because our points are 2 and 3. So from here we will go up here. So here it will be K 2 3. Next point is L 5 3. L 5 3. First is 5. So x-axis is 5, and then from here we will go till here, that is 3. L is 5 3. Then M. M is 5 5. 5. X-axis will be 5, and then y-axis is also 5. So straight we will go up till we are getting 5 here. So this is point 5 on the y-axis. So here it is 5 5, and this is point M. This is point M. Then last point is N 2 5. This is 2 here on the x-axis, and on the y-axis it is 5. So we will go up straight till 5. So here it is N 2 5. We have plotted all the 4 points, and we can clearly see that the points are not coming in a line. So plotting the given points and then joining them, we find that they all do not lie on the same line.